Is it the right time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will delve deeper into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, November 14, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 3, 2023, our system has ranked Intel as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 5.71. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 3.33%. This means it has delivered an average daily return of 0.42% since being labeled as a strong buy candidate. In the short term, the stock is currently in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend. For short-term traders, this presents a potential selling opportunity as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $40.86, it may indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 7.46% change over the next 3 months. The possible return falls between -9.75% and 11.41%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend suggests a 34.65% change over the next 12 months. The potential return ranges between 10.67% and 39.22%. This means the stock could reach a price range of $43.61 to $54.87 after a year. Our latest update on Intel brings exciting news: stronger technical forecast for Intel stock price after Tuesday trading. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, November 14, 2023, the Intel stock price experienced a gain of 3.09%. It rose from $38.23 to $39.41. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated 3.73%, starting at a low of $38.07 and reaching a high of $39.49. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 of them, resulting in a total increase of 7.97% over the last 2 weeks. The volume of shares traded also increased on the last day, which is a positive technical sign. In fact, there were 20 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 42 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.66 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached for Intel stock was $40.07, while the lowest price was $24.73. Currently, the price is 1.64% below the 52-week high, which translates to a difference of $0.658. Furthermore, it is 43.12% below the all-time high of $69.29, which was reached on January 24, 2020. Today, we will be discussing the latest analyst ratings for Intel Corporation (INTC). On Friday, October 27, 2023, Bank of America Securities gave Intel an underperform grade with a hold action. Also on Friday, October 27, 2023, HSBC upgraded their grade for Intel from hold to upgrade. Moving on to Thursday, October 26, 2023, UBS gave Intel a neutral grade with a hold action. Similarly on Thursday, October 26, 2023, BMO Capital maintained their hold action and gave Intel a market perform grade. Lastly, also on Thursday, October 26, 2023, Needham gave Intel a buy grade, still with a hold action. Analysts have given Intel stock a general buy rating. They have rated the stock's PE ratio as strong buy and its price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we'll be looking at the signals for Intel stock. Let's dive in. The chart shows mostly positive signals for Intel. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relation between the two signals confirms this buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of a downward correction, support can be expected at $38.42 and $36.26. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals may be triggered. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 21.19%. This suggests a further rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. The increasing volume along with the rising price is seen as a positive technical signal. Today, I'll be sharing some interesting signals that you might find valuable for your trading strategies. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently showing a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots indicator, indicating a buy signal 14 days ago. The Bollinger Bands are also showing a buy signal 14 days ago. On the other hand, the short-term moving average is suggesting a sell signal 5 days ago. However, the long-term moving average is still indicating a buy signal 12 days ago. When we analyze the relationship between the short and long moving averages, it shows a buy signal 9 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart to gain further insights. According to the chart, the short moving average has given a buy signal 14 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is also indicating a buy signal 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 159 days ago. Don't forget to visit our website at StockInvest.us for more valuable signals and information. Today, we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. When it comes to Intel, we can see that there is a strong support level at $38.86, which means that the stock price tends to bounce back when it reaches this level. This could be a great opportunity for buyers to enter the market and expect a positive reaction. Now, let's discuss the risk involved. Intel is known for having average movements during the day, indicating a moderate level of risk. However, with good trading volume, the overall risk can be considered manageable. Looking at the recent performance, we can see that the stock had a price range of $1.42 between its highest and lowest points in the last trading day, which accounts for a 3.73% difference. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average volatility of 2.36% on a daily basis. Before we explore potential trading levels for Intel, let's begin by discussing some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is a critical measure that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they have negative earnings or are losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on January 25, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report are at $0.420. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for Intel. When it comes to resistance levels, there's no significant barrier from accumulated volume above. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. In such a scenario, it might be a good idea to enter a position and use volume indicators to determine when to exit. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $38.86. If this support level holds, it could present a great entry point, as there's potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Intel is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On October 31, 2023, David Zinsner conducted an insider buy of 6,502 shares of common stock. On October 31, 2023, David Zinsner conducted an insider sell of 3,224 shares of common stock. On October 31, 2023, David Zinsner conducted an insider sell of 6,502 shares of restricted stock units. On October 31, 2023, Patrick Gelsinger conducted an insider buy of 6,779 shares of common stock. On October 31, 2023, Patrick Gelsinger conducted an insider sell of 3,362 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -31.204. Overall, insiders purchased 40,002,475 shares and sold 77,273,765 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $38.08, which represents a decrease of 3.38%. This stock is known for its moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. The RSI 14 is currently at 81, which significantly increases the risk involved. Additionally, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 13 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel currently shows several positive signals and is experiencing a weak upward trend. Following the old saying, "Let the trend be your friend," we consider it to be a favorable choice at its current levels. Furthermore, we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. As a result, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a strong buy candidate. Upon examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For Wednesday, November 15th, we expect Intel to open with a decrease of $0.420 and begin trading at $38.99. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. Always consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to StockInvest, where we provide you with the latest updates on the stock market. Today, we'll be discussing our current view on a particular stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What is your target for this stock? We're excited to hear from you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on future stock analyses. We appreciate your support. Lastly, we want to wish you successful trading and a beautiful day. From all of us here at StockInvest, take care and happy investing.